Hello, investors. This is the weekly update on Bitcoin. As you know, this is our base case on this channel. We think that we are in this bear market and exactly at this point at the moment. Thinking about doing this big drop to the downside and then the V-shaped recovery. That's the base case here. If I zoom in, we think that we could reach this 50K region first, and then the 4K, and then the B-share recovery. The daily matrix line solidifies this because it says that at the moment it's red, confirming a major, let's say, trend to the downside for this move. We have invalidation case for this, but at the moment we have a second case on the stablecoin dominance chart. We think that we are doing this parabola and that we are at the base 4 at the moment, or trying to reach the base 4, which is this one, and then go to the selling point to make a big drop. That this is the V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. Also, for the stablecoin dominance, the matrix line or the daily matrix line is in green, that the trend is still to the upside. Also already draw this, let's say, area, this rectangle that is the time frame that we could do this whole move. We have 63 days to form this major bottom, and after that one we expect the big drop on the stablecoin dominance and the V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. The invalidation is when the 4-hour matrix line turns to red outside of the parabola. At the moment we are touching the parabola, and when the touch is on the parabola is when the major moves happen. We think that we can make this full push on the next week to the 17.2, maybe 18% dominance, which implies that Bitcoin make this drop the opposite. Bitcoin could do the drop, then a month of sideways price action to touch again the parabola, and then to the selling point. So the next week may also, sorry, this week is very important because is when this cool move start to happen. And that's the main idea at the moment. All the I will show you also two other charts that are shared by Benjamin Cowen. I have it here. These two images. We have two charts too. You can see this one and the second one. I will show you this one. You can see that the major drop, this is the Bitcoin year-to-date return on investment, and this is the QT ending bear markets. Both similar charts, both percents a big drop on Bitcoin. You see those here, how this big and sharp drop in the next days. We have it in here too. These are two data points that can support this whole thesis. For Bitcoin, also we have the invalidation case, is when the 4-hour matrix line starts to turn into red. Sorry, to green. The moment is red. If it starts to turn to green, I will start to thinking about entering the market at the moment, because this whole idea could be invalidated. At the moment it's playing out, we want to see if this whole move shows up, because it will show up on Metaplanet and also on MicroStrategy. At the moment, I already have some buying orders at $66 for MicroStrategy. Because if this move happen fast in the next days, I wanna take advantage of this. Okay, this for MicroStrategy, and for Metaplanet, I have my buying orders around 145 yens. This is like 85-90 cents. Okay, but if we start to invalidate the idea, I will start to thinking about enter the market at that point. So the next days are very important. Let's see if this sharp move starts to happen for Bitcoin, and if anything changes, I will let you know. And this is what is playing at the moment. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.